Hello everyone. Very quickly I will be sharing with you this very extreme detox fat burner that helps me burn my belly fat, cleanse my tummy, plus increase my electrolytes level for utmost health. So if you're interested to burn some fats plus good health, stick around and I'll share with you this recipe. So in order to come up with this recipe, I use a lot of detox natural foods you can find in your kitchen, like cucumber. Cucumbers are very detoxifying. They are not just detoxifying, alkalizing as well, to cleanse and fight diseases in your system, cleanse toxins out of your system, hydrate yourself, support your system with hydration to burn fat, cleanse and leave in a lot of goodness into your system. So what you need is half a cucumber for today and slice into some good sizes, and that is it. The second ingredient I use is ginger. Ginger is very cleansing as well, very detoxifying, has anti-inflammatory properties to tackle constipation, bloating, gasiness in the tummy, boost metabolism, cleanse the system, activate the system. Like, this is so good, ginger. So you need a thumb size of ginger, a large thumb size of ginger. Peel, wash thoroughly and slice up into some good sizes. This will burn your fats for you, boost your metabolism, and this water I'll share with you the benefits. This is to encourage you, as I always tell you, to drink enough water. This will make you fall in love with water because it tastes so yummy, plus the ingredients put together will leave in a lot of benefits into your system. I will tell you at the end when we are done. The third ingredient I'll be using will be grapefruit. These are very good. It brings in a lot of flavor into your water. Not just that, it is very detoxifying, very fat burning, loaded with antioxidants to fight the effects of free radical damage, slowing down your system from burning fats, cleanse your organs, cleanse your system. Like, this is so good. You need this to activate your system and get rid of some of those metabolic disorders, making you not to lose weight fast or burn some calories fast. You will experience IBs of your body having this. So this is one grapefruit. You just need to squeeze out the juice from your one grapefruit and you're good. You can use the fiber, add in your smoothie, but what we need is just the juice. I will be adding lime today instead of lemons. Limes are stronger. We want this extreme, so I will be going for limes. You can use lime and lemon, but that is just almost the same, and I will go for lime because they are stronger, more stronger than lemons. So what you need is one lime, equally washed thoroughly and slice up. We need some antioxidants here. We need to increase our electrolyte levels for utmost health. So I will be adding in some strawberries in here. This brings in a lot of flavor, brings in a lot of antioxidants, and bring in some other fat burning benefits in here as well. Like, this is so good put together. So these are my 3 berries. They are optional. If you don't have berries, that is fine, but this brings in a lot of flavor in here, cleanses your pores, cleanses your skin. Like, this is an overall deep cleanse of your skin and your pores to leave your skin so clean, so hydrated, so fresh, help you burn fat, help you cleanse your system. Like, I can't reiterate enough. So that is my 3 berries put aside. So the next thing you want to do now is to add in some of these mints. Yes, mints increase metabolic rate a lot. They boost digestion, boost metabolism, and we want our metabolism to be at the top. If you're looking to lose some weight or burn calories, your metabolism needs to be so active, and mint leaf does just that. Plus, it brings in that minty flavor into your water that is so wonderful and very detoxifying. So I'll be adding some orange in here. We need a lot of antioxidants here to activate our system. Oranges equally are loaded with vitamin C, which boosts digestion as well, cleanse your skin pores, freshen up your skin, and leave your skin looking so beautiful. Like, this water is multi-purpose. So this is my one orange. You wash thoroughly. You want to wash them with vinegar and baking soda. And now to the making of our extreme detox water, fat burning water. I use this bottle because it times me to drink water a lot. So I know every hour I just get the water, and I just like make sure every hour I sip into it like it is compulsory. So I love me some of these bottles. You can find them at any grocery store, or you can pour them in your cup, whatever. Like this encourages you to drink enough water, plus helping you burn all the bad fats in your system. So you want to put the different fruits, vegetables into your bottles. So yeah, this is the ginger. I put in the cucumber, mint, ginger in there. And the next thing you want to put is, like, all the ingredients, the strawberries. Just put all the ingredients, a variety of both of them, in the two bottles. Like this is just to show you a sample of how you can serve it. It is up to you. You can put it in the liters. It is up to you. You can put it in a big cup like this. This is up to 2 liters, so you can use 2 liters and do yours with, it depends on you, with a cup. So but I love this, so I time myself and make sure I drink enough all the time, just to activate my system to burn that fat for me all the time. Like my system should be constantly active to burn fats. Yeah, so you just add in some water. So if you want it even stronger, you add in the juice of your grapefruit in there. This makes it even stronger, increase your electrolytes levels, and all of them are so good, but the one with the grapefruit makes it even stronger and intense again. So it depends on you. They are all good, they are all wonderful, they all detox and cleanse your system, living nutrients, most especially increasing your electrolyte levels for utmost health. This freshens up your skin and leave it so hydrated, cleansed, and like these are so healthy. You want to fall in love with this recipe. If you notice, I always go a lot for these recipes because they help me maintain a healthy body size, burn my belly fat, and if you can see, I have a healthy belly, not chunky like before. My belly is so healthy and in order. This is my belly. I show you all the time here. Very healthy body size, not necessarily skinny, but so healthy. If you want more of my pictures or you want to interact with me, you can follow me on Instagram as Riza Tips, so we can interact, plus water. So you notice all those ingredients, we had to add in water. As I always tell you here, water is everything. So without water in there, there is no detox water, which makes water very important. As I always share with you, my people, water is so important. I studied holistic nutrition. It is not just from space. I studied because of my health, and it changed my story that I'm sharing with you today. So fall in love with water. If you don't know how to drink just regular water, just go for this recipe. I've shared a couple of them. Alternate with all the other kinds of fruits, and trust me, your health will be on the utmost level. Plus all the fruits I used in this detox water for today are very alkalizing, contain a lot of antioxidants, will help improve your electrolyte levels, cleanse your skin pores, cleanse your organs, leave your system so active, so your metabolic rate will be so high. Like you easily just, your system is so just fat burning. You turn your system into a fat burning machine. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.